Okay.
Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm joining Tina at Tina's Reborns and More for. We have about 5 cats over here that have decided to join us. I'm joining Tina for her garden challenge, and I have a 17-inch Dreamtopia Barbie and Fritz the Frog out here gardening. And you can see Barbie, true to form, is wearing a white, I said white out for gardening, lace top with high heels on. Open toe, of course. The sun is not where it should be for filming. They look really cute in person. I hope that's coming through. I made their, I have on my farm coat. So when you see it's cold out here and it is windy. I made their little overalls. Oh, I didn't get his snap. They have 2 snaps in the back.
It's Casual
With
Thursday.
Velcro. Yeah, there you go. And this is my own pattern, and Barbie's is the same. Let me get her. Okay, kitties, that's about enough. Darren made the stand and the little shoe soles that I made the little shoes out of. She has on. Oh, I want to show you her. I made the pattern for her little overalls. Hers does not have a snap because the way they were made and the way she's made, they would slide up. But she just has a sock tube top on this morning as she's out here in the cold weather in her open-toed shoes with her toenails all painted. True Barbie style. Thank you, Tina. Thank you for everyone who joined in this challenge. It sure is a fun one. Go see Tina's and everyone else's videos. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.